If you are getting a network error in Wave accounting on desktop, yeah, that means the app cannot properly connect to the server. Let's fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, if your network is weak or dropping, Wave accounting will show network errors. Next, restart your router or modem. This refreshes your network connection and fixes temporary connectivity issues. Now refresh Wave accounting and try again. Yeah, sometimes it is just a temporary connection glitch. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy. These can block or slow down secure connections to Wave servers. Now open Wave accounting in incognito mode. Yeah, this helps bypass cached data and extension conflicts. Next, disable all browser extensions temporarily. I mean, ad blockers or security tools can interfere with network requests. Now clear cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can break network communication with Wave accounting. Next, check your firewall or antivirus settings. Yeah, sometimes they block Wave accounting connections without warning. Now, make sure your browser is updated. I mean, outdated browsers can cause network compatibility issues. Next, restart your computer. This resets network services and clears hidden connection issues. Now, try another browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Yeah, this helps confirm if the issue of you is browser specific. Next, check if Wave accounting servers are working properly. I mean, sometimes the issue is not on your side at all. If nothing works, contact support. Yeah, there may be a system or account level network issue only they can fix. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve network errors in Wave accounting on desktop and restore your access.